Hello everyone, my name is Sergeant Tony Reed, and this is my partner Grace Cantwell. And we are founders of Drone Cadets. Our overall mission is to expose our underserved communities to drone technology through STEAM.
What is STEAM, Sergeant Reed?
I'm glad you asked that, Grace. STEAM is science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics, and drone technology uses all 5 pillars. Throughout this Drone Cadet series, we will be showing all of our guests different ways drones are used through STEAM.
Well, I'm excited to be part of this drone series because drones play a vital role in our society today, and every child needs to be exposed and educated. We are thrilled you all will be coming along our journey with us.
As a certified drone pilot and instructor, we are here to teach all cadets coding with drones, repair, building, and flight operations.
Go to drone-cadets.com and see everything we're up to. We want you to be part of our Drone Cadets experience. All right, let's fly!